I now invite Professor S.P. Somshekhar, President, the Association of Breast Surgeons of India, to share his thoughts about breast health.
Thank you very much. Honorable Vice President Venkaiah Naidu ji, my very close friend and Association of Breast Surgeons founder and also Honorary Secretary and past President Raghuram and all the dignitaries. Here I represent Association of Breast Surgeons of India as its president, joining hands with this most noble first ever initiative of Usha Lakshmi Breast Cancer Foundation, which was conceived and implemented by Dr. Raghuram. The Association of Breast Surgeons of India was found by Dr. Raghuram after he returned from UK. Very few people, when they have got the best life outside and be the most pioneer in the world in the top class, want to return back to motherland. Our close friend, society called him back, motherland called him back, and Dr. Raghuram, after undergoing all the training, in spite of the best top post available in UK, returned back to motherland to give it back to society. He found the Association of Breast Surgeons of India. He nurtured it, supported it, and he was the past president, and he is the one who revolutionized the breast cancer care in India. His motto is Indian solutions for Indian problem, make in India, not borrowing from Western. He understood the grasp of motherland. He visited, we call him son of soil. He visited the peripheral rural village of all over India, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, all the states in India, understood the problems Indian face and found the Indian solution for Indian problem and gave back to motherland with his own self-fortune from his and own family, his own pocket. He revolutionized the screening, took it to the needy, poorest of the poorest in the revolutionary area at the Indian, all part of the India. And not only that, through the Association of Breast Surgeon, he and through his selfless Usha Lakshmi Breast Cancer Foundation developed the ABSI modules and guideline to standardize the breast cancer care in India, which thousands and thousands of surgeons follow when he overtook as the president of the second largest surgeon association in India, along with the Association of Breast Surgeons of India. The Usha Lakshmi Breast Cancer Foundation selflessly has given back to the society. Not many people know that the mortality rate in breast cancer is 50%. We contribute not more than 1/3 breast cancer incidence, but 50% death come from India. This is what changed to Raghuram's mind, and he brought this initiative. This is because in India, there is no good education or helpline for people to approach. Very difficult to get in all language. This is such a noble initiative, very tough one. Had it not been to the effort of Usha Lakshmi Breast Cancer Foundation and Raghuram, it wouldn't have been possible. ABSI, as defined by Dr. Raghuram, is the voice of the breast surgeons in India. It compromises all the people managing breast care, not just surgeons, the ASHA workers, the psychologists and nurse practitioner, imaging doctors, advocates, survivors, cancer graduates, everybody. And this serves as an advocate for all that seek excellency in breast cancer in India. And this is the forum. ABSI is very happy to associate with such a noble endeavor. And I wish we can serve the society along with Raghuram and Usha Lakshmi Breast Cancer Institution. Thank you very much for this honor. Thank you. Thank you, Raghu.